Welcome to today's daily message. I hope that you find these meditations, readings, and reflections brought to us from Creighton University to be helpful during this time when we're not able to worship and pray together as a parish community. Today, my short reflection has to do with the gospel reading from the 4th chapter of the Gospel of John. I hope that you take a few minutes to go through that reading today. The reading talks about how Jesus cures the royal official's son of an illness. We're living in a time when we are in need of both healing and cure. Yes, there are going to be some of us who are going to be in need of a cure from the coronavirus, but all of us at this time are in need of healing of some sort. We all have fears and anxieties about what may happen. And so this reading offers us the invitation to be healed of those fears and anxieties, to accept the situation that we're in, and to accept the will of God in our lives, to take precautions, but to live in faith and to live with the hope that this terrible pandemic will pass with a minimum of suffering. Thank you so much for watching and listening today. Have a great day and stay healthy.